In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare plans in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that helps teams organize, collaborate, and manage their work efficiently. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current plan, explore additional features, or simply understand your billing options, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of comparing plans within ClickUp. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to select the plan that best fits your team and workflow. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account. You can either use your email address and password or a connected social login, such as Google. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, take a moment to sign up using the link in the description below. After logging in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you've selected the one you want to manage. You'll find your currently active workspace at the top left of the homepage. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon or your name. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the Settings view, where you'll see a variety of options for managing your account. Now look to the left-hand sidebar within the Settings view and click on Billing. This is where you'll find all the details about your current plan and other available plans. Before you proceed, ensure you have the required permissions to access the billing section. If you don't have these permissions, you may need to contact your workspace owner or admin for assistance. Once you're in the billing section, you'll be able to view your current plan as well as all the other plans that ClickUp offers. Take a moment to explore the pricing information. You'll see the cost per member, and you can toggle between monthly and annual billing options to compare pricing structures. As you review the plans, pay close attention to the feature comparison. This will help you understand what's included in each plan. Look for key details like task limits, storage capacity, dashboards, automations, and time tracking. These features can have a big impact on your team's productivity and workflow. Additionally, consider advanced options like security and compliance features, guest access, and sharing controls. If these are important to your organization, make sure to select a plan that offers the necessary support. Another important factor to review is the level of customer support included with each plan. Some plans may offer priority support or advanced onboarding services, which could be valuable depending on your needs. As you assess the plans, think about the number of paid seats your team will require. Make sure the plan you choose aligns with your current team size and any growth expectations you might have. It's always a good idea to plan for potential expansion. Don't forget to evaluate any notes regarding proration, trials, or subscription changes. These details can affect your total cost and how your billing is handled going forward. Once you've carefully considered all the factors, choose the plan that best fits your workflow and budget. Before finalizing any changes, double-check everything. This includes the number of seats, your selected billing frequency, and the total cost. This step ensures there are no surprises after you confirm your new plan. And that's it. You've now learned how to compare plans in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.